You don't like that?
No, it's that thing on his head. He was bouncing a few minutes ago. See, now he's going crazy. Jump! Jump! No, it's still that outfit. Something's too tight on him. Shake it off, baby.
It's not tight.
Something he doesn't like about it. The one around his neck.
No, it's loose. Papa. Diddy. Say Happy Halloween. He can't wear that without this. That doesn't look right.
I know, he can't. Oh, poor thing.
Happy Halloween. Diddy. No, you're not going to move? He doesn't like that thing on him. He can't even stay.